Good morning. Today we'll see about Indus Valley Civilization, which is a continuation of our previous class. So this is during Bronze Age, and Robert Bruce is called as father of prehistory archaeology, and he is also father of South Indian archaeology. Alexander Cunningham is the father of Indian archaeology. Actually, during 1861, Archaeological Survey of India was started, and he is the surveyor. He is the first surveyor when it was started during 1861, and New Delhi is its headquarters. Charles Manson is actually soldier of East India Company. He described about ruins of Harappa in his book when he visited Northwest Frontier Province, now which is in Pakistan. So he come across many mysterious brick mounds. So he has written about that in his book, that he saw ruined brick castle with very high walls and towers built on a hill. So by seeing this, they came to know that there are burnt large hill walls, high walls, everything was there. So during ancient period. Next, during 1856, they laid a railway line which connects Lahore to Karachi. Then they discovered more burnt bricks. That is what we said earlier. So that is in Ravi River. They took those bricks and constructed. So they destroyed that bricks and everything. So during this period, that is during 1856, Madras to Arakanam railway also was constructed. So during this 1856, they laid a railway line connecting Lahore to Karachi, and also during this 1856, Madras to Arakanam railway was constructed. Next, in 1920, archaeologists began to excavate the cities of Harappa. Then, when they came to know about this, then they started excavating and they found the city of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. During 1924, Director General of ASI, that is Archaeological Survey of India, Sir John Marshall, he found many common features. Actually, during 1861, Alexander Cunningham started this ASI, that is Archaeological Survey of India. He was surveyor. But during 1924, Sir John Marshall found many common features between Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. And this ASI, that is Archaeological Survey of India, was started in 1861 with Alexander Cunningham as surveyor, and its headquarters was in New Delhi. During 1940s, Mortimer Wheeler, he excavated Harappan sites. That is what we are going to see next. So early Harappan, mature Harappan, late Harappan. So Harappan sites are classified as early, mature and late. So early Harappan is between 3000 to 2600 BCE. Mature Harappan was between 2600 to 1900 BCE. Late Harappan was between 1900 to 1700 BCE. Then Indus Valley sites. So what are the sites they found in Indus Valley? So just recap for 1 minute what we have seen earlier. So we have seen about Harappa, that is Indus Valley civilization. Then Mohenjo-daro. So what is the main thing in Mohenjo-daro? We have seen that great bath and everything. So great bath. Then how was the buildings there? Then was the administration? How was the drainage system? And how was their lifestyle? What are the dresses they wore? So everything we have seen in the previous class. The important thing which we have to remember is a great bath. So which was built by using kiln fire bricks, and they have steps on both sides, and they have rooms on all sides for changing the dresses, and that pool is filled by water that is taken from the well, and that dirty water will be cleaned by using a huge drain. Then how was the buildings there? Important things to remember in this is they don't have windows there, and northern part of the town was narrow and elevated, eastern part was broad and lowered. So this thing we have to remember in buildings. Then they had very good administration. How come we know that they had very good administration? Because by seeing this everything we can conclude they had a very good administration, because every houses they had drainage system. Every houses they had a dustbin. So by seeing everything we can conclude that their administration is very good. Then drainage system. So we know that the drains were covered. Then they ran along the streets. So this we have seen already. Then handicrafts. So important thing is the dolls are made up of terracotta. So this is what we have seen in the previous class. Then script. So they use pictorial writings. Then occupation. So what was the major occupation is agriculture. And what was the major cultivated is wheat and barley. Then what was the dress? What was the ornaments and art? So they are good in making parts because in the previous age they have discovered the wheel. So by using this wheel they have done parts. So this is what we have seen in the earlier class. Then now what is the Indus Valley sites? So Harappa. So that is they have Ravi River and it was excavated by Dyalam Shahani during 1921. Now it is in Pakistan. And here the first cotton was produced in Harappa. The first cotton was produced in Harappa. So do remember, you should not forget what is the importance in this Harappa is first cotton produced and they constructed houses. They had red stone figures. So everything in Harappa. Next Mohenjo-daro. So it has Indus River and it was excavated by Alvin Banerjee during 1922. And it was also in Pakistan. And the important thing to remember in Mohenjo-daro is Great Bath, granary. So this granary is used to store the surplus amount of cultivated products. Then bronze of dancing girl. Then one more thing we have said in previous classes, that is limestone. A bird man which is made up of limestone. Then bull seal, Pasupati seal, citadel, terracotta toys. Then Chandaro. So that is excavated by N.G. Manjudai. So in 1931, so it is in Sindhu region. And the important thing here is there were no citadel. So no citadel was found during Chandano, whereas citadel was there in Mohenjo-daro. So this is what we have to remember. This is important in this Chandaro. Next, Banavali. Banavali, it was excavated by R.S. Bist during 1973 and it is in Haryana. And what are the factors is good quality of barley. And the important thing is they don't have drainage system. No drainage system in Banavali. And their 12-horn tiger was seen. While excavating, they have seen 12-horn tiger. Then Lothal, it was excavated by S.R. Rao during 1957. Now it is in Gujarat. And the important thing to remember is dockyard. That is the important thing to remember in Lothal is dockyard. Then 3 twin burial. Then bones of camel, measuring scale of terracotta, wooden tie, wooden plough. So this is what we have to remember in Kalibangan. Next, Surakotada. So it was excavated by J.P. Joshi. It is in Gujarat during 1964. So the important thing to remember in Surakotada is burial rooms. So they have excavated burial rooms here. Then Alamgirpur. It was excavated by Y.D. Sharma, Hindon River. It was in Uttar Pradesh. So what we have to remember here is this is actually last phase of Harappan site. Because due to calamities, natural calamities, they yield crop. Because previously they yield high crop. But due to natural calamities, what happened? That crop has reduced. High crop has reduced to low. Then the people started moving from one place to another place. So that's why it is called as last phase of Harappan site. So from here the decline of Harappa started. Then epidemic diseases spread. During this period, in this Alamgirpur, epidemic diseases spread. Then Dholavira. Dholavira is in Gujarat and it was excavated during 1985. And these are the things found in Dholavira: buffalo bones, figure of chariot tied to a pair of bullocks, driven by a nude human, use of rocks for construction, water harvesting. So they had every facilities, but what made the decline of Indus Valley civilization? So what happened, many scholars, they are doing research under this. So the few scholars believe that due to nomadic, that is people started moving from one place to another place due to this natural calamities and due to this invasion of Aryans. So these are the reasons given by the scholars. So many scholars believe that due to nomadic and Indo-European tribe called Aryans, they invaded and conquered Indus Valley civilization, and by 1800 BCE, Indus Valley climate grew cooler and drier. So due to this may happen. This is what the reason for the decline of Indus Valley civilization. So we have completed up to this. We have completed Indus Valley civilization, and let us move on to Guptas in the next class. Thank you.